Good evening, everyone. My name is Erin, and these are the causes of fish toxins. Fish are animals that are made up of cartilage and flesh. They have no bones, they have no ligaments. They are just like these tiny little organisms that move freely, very fast and quickly. However they want, they fit into small compartments. They survive off of water. Water is basically their oxygen, like how air is our oxygen, water is their oxygen. That's how they survive. There are fish in aquariums, there are fish in oceans, there are fish ponds. It's fish all over the world. Unfortunately, there have been a series of events where there are an uncontrollable amount of fish that have been washed up on the ocean, and we have to figure out why. What is the cause and why is it fatal to fish? One of the main causes of fish that are washing up on oceans is because pollution. Go back, global warming. There's waste coming from everywhere, literally. As you can see from my illustration, it's bottles, it's plastic. It could be anything bad, and it's being thrown in the ocean, or it's finding its way to the ocean. And it's simply by us. So we are one of the fatal causes. Also, it's bacteria that grows inside of the ocean that fish feed off of, and since they are ingesting that, it kills them. How do fish encounter deadly toxins? Like I stated, they ingest it. It's inside of the ocean, so it's in their habitat. There are numerous of other ways fish can encounter deadly toxins, as in it's being washed up on ocean by global warming. People. It's something that is called an algae bloom, and it basically happens when it's too much nutrients and it's too much waste inside of the fish habitat, that it releases the toxins in the water, and like stated previously, the fish inhale that and they end up dying from that. And dead fish end up washing up on the ocean because it's so polluted by the algae blooms. And from my research, it happens mainly in the summer on the Gulf of Florida. And like the actual water turns red, and you can see the red. That's why they call it red tides, because it's just like a bunch of bacteria built up and just making its way through the ocean, killing fish. And unfortunately, it's very sad. Okay, researchers have found there are multiple ways toxins can get into water. Bacterial organisms grow inside the ocean, like I stated previously. Bacteria and algae together is a bad combination, and that kills fish. Nitrogen and phosphorus is also a combination of chemicals and elements that come together, and when it's together, it kills fish. Waste, dirty environment. Retinol is a deadly chemical. Chlorinated hydrocarbons is also a deadly chemical. That's chlorine, that's hydrogen, and that's carbon monoxide. All three combined together, that sounds like a deadly combination. And that is grown inside of the water, and of course that kills fish. So it just seems like the ocean is like a fun place for people, but it's also a deadly place for fish. And it's just ways like we could prevent that is by cleaning our environment, trying to help the fish. Because bacteria comes from things. So you put in your dirty plastic, you're putting metal, you're putting electronics, you're putting just nasty things inside the ocean. It really, really, really hurts the fish environments. Not only the fish, it hurts whales, it hurts jellyfish, hurts all kinds of animals and creatures. My final statement is pollution happens every and all the time. That is the reason why we have one of the reasons why we have global warming issues. And everybody is affected. Humans, animals, oceans, the weather. And the main point is why toxins are getting inside the ocean. Why is it killing fish? And the main point is literally because it's toxins everywhere. It's growing inside the waters. People are putting their toxins inside the water, and it ends up harming fish, and it ends up killing them, unfortunately. And there are multiple ways we can contribute. We could recycle. We could clean up our community. We could be more healthy. And also, us as humans can also die from inhaling these kind of chemicals, because we do take fish from the ocean. We do eat seafood, shrimp, crab legs, lobsters. All of that is inside the ocean. We take those animals from the ocean, and they have these chemicals inside of them, or these chemicals on them, and if they're not properly cleaned, we can inhale those and we can end up dying from them. I'm allergic to shellfish personally, so all I have to really worry about is fish trying to kill me. But I don't even eat fish like that, so it's okay. But I hope you all are safe with your eating when it comes to fish, and I hope you all enjoy my presentation. So have a good night.